I did it. I built the best $650 gaming PC that money can buy for 2025. With this PC, you're able to easily push a lot of games over 200 FPS in high settings. The CPU is the Ryzen 5 5600 6-core 12-thread processor, the PNY RTX 3070 graphics card. We also got 32 gigs of memory in here with the beautiful ASRock B550M Pro RS motherboard, a 1TB NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD, a 650 watt gold certified power supply, all packed inside the Sama ARGB Q5 case that comes with 3 fans pre-installed. We were even able to throw in a Windows 11 CD key and still keep the total cost at $637.50. We